Florida's unstable home insurance market keeps showing steady signs of improvement.
As West 2's Sheldon Dutez explains, the latest proof is that fewer people are relying on Citizens for insurance.
Across the state, homeowners in communities like this one are spending a lot more to insure their houses compared to people who live in other states. Florida homeowners pay $6,000 on average compared to the national average of just $1,700 a year. But things are starting to trend in the right direction.
When the market needs us, when people need a place to go, we grow. But as the market gets healthier, we should shrink, and we are shrinking.
Citizens CEO Tim Serio was optimistic while updating the Board of Governors during their meeting in Lake Mary. The number of people getting home insurance from Citizens is going down. The insurer of last resort shed 275,000 policies last year. And so far this year, they've had 115,000 policies moved to private insurers through depopulation. Citizens expects that by the end of this year, they will have 330,000 policies going to the private market. This could mean that existing policyholders won't face a surcharge. But what if you're not a Citizens policyholder? These trends could still affect you.
The larger Citizens is, the more exposure we have. And as the state's insurer of last resort, if we're large and a major storm hits, that increases the risk that Floridians, even Floridians who are not Citizens customers, will face an assessment.
Which is a charge that shows up on your home insurance policy. The Insurance Information Institute tracks home insurance trends and said it is essential for Citizens to depopulate to a manageable level in order for the Florida market to stabilize after many years of volatility. Additionally, 8 new carriers entering the market this year will greatly benefit consumers, enabling more choices for purchasing home insurance and more competitive environments. Analysts credit legislative changes for shifts that we're starting to see right now, but board member Scott Thomas also pointed out that the impacts won't be noticeable overnight.
There's a certain level of criticism of, we did away with the one-way attorney fee shift on Monday, rates didn't go down on Tuesday. Well, that's not quite how it works.
In Maitland, Sheldon Dutez, WESH 2 News.
Citizens has a little less than 1.2 million policies right now. Leaders hope to get the number to 600,000 or lower, which hasn't happened since 2020.